Hi, this is Chapul from wpthemehat again, and today we will investigate a plugin called Admintosh. So we'll know about what this plugin do. So for knowing about that, we will need to go here on the wordpress.org here, and what this plugin do. For that we need to go here in the description part. So this plugin mainly do four things: customize the WP login page, then customize the dashboard, then gives you the opportunity to solve the Google Captcha or the Math Captcha, or what would the third one? The third one is random number captcha. Okay, and the limit the login attempts by the user. So these four things this plugin do. And you can check here the screenshot that is been provided by the author. So this is the after the plugin installation, you will see like something like this. If I have a bigger look here, and the another one, after customize the login page, you can customize it like this here, and then you can customize this one here, the top bar, then the menu bar, or something like this. Okay, so now it's our turn to check out how this plugin works. So we'll go on here on our own website, that is here. I have the pre-installation of the WordPress, and then we'll go here plugins, then click on add new plugin, then we'll search here Admintosh, Admintosh, nice name na. Then we'll click on here install now. Yeah, it's a new plugin, so you need to test it, and I have tested very well. It works fine. It's very simple to use. It's super fast. It will you can have the thing that you want to use, that CSS, that JS only will load, so it's magnificent. So I'll click on the activate now, and the plugin is activated. Okay, so now I will go here. You will see here the Admintosh settings. So I'll click here, and you can see now how simple is this. Okay, so you can dashboard design customization. So if I click on here the dashboard design customizations, then click on here save settings, save changes, then if I go here the dashboard color schemes. So if I go here and click here the admin top background color, so this is the admin top background color. So if I change it to yellow and click on save changes, then boom, it's fun. The top bar color has been changed successfully, but I want that the text color, so all of the text is working as a link. So link color that I want it would be white. Okay, and click on save changes. As you can see, it has turned into white, but the yellow is not switching here. So I'll change it to another color. Yeah, okay, it is maybe the default one of the WordPress, so I'll change it to another to check. Okay, so it has been changed, the admin top bar. Okay, now you can have admin menu options here, admin menu background. So if I click check the admin menu background color, so I can set it to this color, and if I click on save changes, then boom, it's nice na. So this is one modules that we have talked before. Now we will go for the second one. So we need to activate that, otherwise that will not work. So login page customization. So I will need to click here the activation button, and then click on save changes. Then I can the login page customize options will start to work. So if I go here and give a background color or a background image, so if I give a background color to something like this and click on save changes, and if I try to log in into our this dashboard with a new window, now you can see the background color has changed here, and you can see the text is not synced because we need to change the color also. Okay, So login page text color, I will set it to white, and the link color that will be also white, and the link hover color I will set it to blank. Black. So now I will click on save changes. Then if I go here and give a refresh, you can see the link color that has been changed to white na, so that's why you can see the text here, but you know, you can customize like you want. So if I set it to black, the link text color to black, then I think that will be okay. Yeah, and this text color that also need to be changed. So this text color suppose onto this color. Okay, save changes again, and I'll go here and refresh. Okay, you can see the username and the email address now has been changed to that color. So this way you can set the background color, and you can see here the WordPress logo, you can change that to the WordPress logo. As you can see here the logo, so I'll click on here the upload, and in the media library there is no image. So here if I go something like this, you know, it's a random image, not a logo. So and I will choose the image and click on save changes, and then it's a big, that was a big image, so I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see that big image has been converted into the logo size. So you can set your website logo here too. So this way you can customize your login area. Okay, now it's time to see the another module that is called active captcha. Okay, so I'll check here the activation button here and click on save changes. Now I'll go here the login reCAPTCHA, and obviously I need to activate the login captcha here. Then you can see here captcha type Google reCAPTCHA, then addition captcha, then random number captcha. So we will test the Google reCAPTCHA first, and for generating the Google reCAPTCHA side key, we need to click here the side key and the secret key. After clicking here, we need to set a label. You can set any kind of text. So we'll set here wpthemehat. Okay, and right now this plugin is supporting only the challenge page. So the so only version 2 will work, and the developer is working on the version 2, so version 3. So the next in the next update we will see the version 3, so you need to wait till that. So right now it will work on with the version 2. So I need to add the domain name here. So my domain is this one, as you can see, blog.wpthemehat.com. I'll copy the URL and paste it here, and I will click on submit. Okay, so the site key and the secret key has been generated. Now I need to do is copy site key and paste it here, and again copy secret key, then paste it here. Now I need to click here save changes. Now if I try to log in with new window, okay, sorry, incognito mode I need to go, otherwise it will, you know, the session will work like that. So I go to the new incognito mode, and you can see here I am not a robot test. So now if I try to log in, this is the password that I need to give for, you know, my user test. If I go here with that I am not a robot, now select the stairs. So I will select the stairs here. So next bus, so I need to select the bus here again. Yeah, then verify. Yeah, the I'm not robot is working perfectly. And if I now click on login, yeah, it will take me to the login page here. Okay, now I will test it again with the addition captcha. So addition captcha, now I will click on save changes, and again I will try to log in, then see. Yeah, you can see the addition captcha now. Now I need to put the username, and if I give the wrong calculation like 6, 4 plus 4 is the is equal to 6, and try to log in, then you can see the captcha error. Now if I try to log in again with 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, then if I click on the login, then yeah, boom, it's working perfectly. And the another one is random captcha number. I hope you guys know about that, so I'll just show you that how that random captcha is here. You can see the random captcha. So if I refresh it again, it will get changes. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to only type this number here. So that's all for the random number captcha. Okay, now it's time to check the login attempts. How does this work? So here we have the login attempts module, so we need to activate it, then click on save changes, and after that we need to go here the login attempts tab. Then here you can see, you can set the failed login limit, you can set it to your numbers, so I'll set it to 4, and then lockout durations. If someone tries 4 times, then what will be the duration again he can try for the login. So I can set it 1 hour, I can set it 5 hour, 10 hours. Duration you can set it in minutes, so you can set a random number. So I'll just for check, I'll set it 10 to 10 minutes and click on save changes. Now I will go here with the incognito mode again, and if I click on this and press the enter, then this will come. Now I will try with login with the wrong password, and I have disabled all the captcha things here because I don't need to do it now. So I'll remove some password and click on login. You are saying that it is saying 2 attempts remaining because I have tried before making this video. So for testing that is it working perfectly, so that's why it is showing 2. So as you can see, 2 more attempts is remaining here. Now if I try another one and click here login, then one more, it is obviously a wrong one, that's why it's saying 1 attempts remaining. Okay, now if I again try another one with another password, then if I click on login, then it will say too many failed login attempt, please login after 10 minutes. So before 10 minutes I can't do anything here. If I give the right password to, then it will not work, as you can see. So if I give the right password to, if I click on the login, it will not work because it has been locked for 10 minutes. So this way you can use this Admintosh plugin. So you can use this plugin for dashboard color schemes, login page customize, and login reCAPTCHA, and for your login attempts. So it is a combine of 4 things within one plugin. So it's fun. Thank you very much. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.